quick garden update. Indoor zucchini, one, a few more down there. Tomatoes, doing absolutely amazing in the self-watering pot. Just tomatoes after tomatoes after tomatoes, and it's still got a long way to go. Chili plants, jalapenos coming on nicely, loads of them up there. Chard in the back, more tomatoes. Make sure custom sundial. We've not had enough sun, but beautiful. Cucumbers, that is the cucumber progression with some basil. Some cucumbers being made. There's one there, and there's one there, and we've got a few more coming. It's got a bit of way to grow. Tomatoes, throwing out runners. We're putting them in pots to make more strawberry plants. And the chili is giving us chilies. That's other small strawberry. Bush beans, a bit of an experiment, aquaponics in a bottle tomato, and just seeing what will happen to this tomato in a small bottle. It's got flowers. We'll see how big the tomatoes are. There's another one up there, just to see if you can grow them in small gardens. Basically, that's the idea of that. Bush beans, tomatoes, and behind the tomatoes is another cucumber which is growing up. That's the upside down tomato. Another upside down tomato there. That's inside. Max, hey, sit. Wait. Good boy. Okay, there's some lettuce. We've already taken one, which we left to go to. Head. We're leaving a couple more. That's the kale. That's the sunflower pot challenge. Radishes that we left to go to seed. We've had loads of these. We basically deep fry them like in a batter, and it's really nice. And get rid of that dead leaf. A bit of basil, and the bush bean that was we moved outside because there wasn't enough space. Some lettuce, and in between the lettuce there's some spring onions, sweet peas. That was that little small garden project. So you can see that's come on nicely. The chard that we put in has got some minors, so you might get rid of some of those, squish them off. Peas growing nicely. We've had a few of these. More kale. We've put some bush beans in there. See how they come up. Don't know what that is. That looks like a weed. And some more lettuce. We've had like 5 times off this. We've cut off. I'm leaving some of them to go to head. Yeah, camellia, potatoes, and that's the beauty there. Pumpkin. That's geranium, and the pumpkins just gone insane. You can see one being formed there. We're gonna basically go up, down, and then possibly along or down. We'll see. Let's look at the peas. Some more sunflowers. Max smelling some flowers. That's another zucchini plant, but you can see there that's a lot more healthy. There's a little bush bean hidden in the back there. There's a bush bean, and then there's a pumpkin here, which is basically coming down and down. We're gonna go bam and along there just somewhere. There's our hebe, which is flowering. Here's our leeks and a bit of carroting. Rosies. And this bit's just gone insane. So the apple tree has thrown out some more branches in the back there because Max bit off the branches last year, so we're waiting for this to regrow. The broad beans, these ones weren't great. We're not going to make this again. because you have to wait for them to go to seed. You can't eat them as like tender greens. There's another pumpkin in the back here. Not as healthy, but I think it's because it's not getting as much light, but it's growing up. We're planning to put it over the canopy. Some poppies. Another zucchini down here, just because we're testing to see where the best spot is for zucchini. Hydrangea, hosta. Some more tomatoes. Cucumber in the corner. That thing's gone mad. That's the buddleia. There's some coriander, beets, max. Okay, this looks quite good. The bed full of marigolds. Let's give you a quick view of the whole garden. Beginning of July.